Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Coding 4.0. In this lecture, we are doing an overview of all of the courses that you will get in Hello Coding 4.0. To find all of your courses, just go to the curriculum of this course, and for any bonus courses that you might have, go to the Access My Courses tab at training.mammoth.interactive.com. We're going to start off with Level 1 Web Development. You'll learn HTML and CSS web development fundamentals, as well as JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Then we'll jump into learning the React library and React Native, as well as the Bootstrap library for styling. You'll also learn how to use the Vue library for web app development and EJS for templating. Then we'll jump into front-end web development with React and Material UI, and more. Once we cover the fundamentals of front-end development, we'll jump into back-end development. So to be a full-stack web developer, you have to know the front-end or the client-facing side, but also the back-end, the hidden side of websites. So we'll learn how to build servers with Node.js and Express, how to build RESTful APIs with Node and MongoDB. So you'll learn about databases like MongoDB and SQL. You'll also learn web development, authentication, and security, and more. So by the end of Level 1, you will be a full-stack web developer. Then we'll jump into Level 2, App Development. In this level, we're going to learn how to build apps and user interfaces. So you'll learn UI and UX design in Adobe XD. You'll learn how to build apps for Android first with Android Studio and Kotlin. As well, you'll learn how to design apps with Google Material Design. And you'll learn machine learning for app development with TensorFlow Lite. You'll also learn how to develop for the Apple App Store. So we'll learn Sketch UI app design. Then we'll learn how to build apps with Swift 5.5 and iOS 15. And we'll learn how to build an augmented reality app for the App Store. Then we'll jump into Level 3, Machine Learning. In this level, we will teach you data science and machine learning from scratch, starting with an introduction to machine learning and Python data science, including how to code in Python. You'll learn how to build machine learning models and neural networks. You'll also learn how to build many neural network projects, including converting Sketch to photo and many computer vision projects similar with OpenCV. You'll also learn machine learning for web developers, how to learn TensorFlow JS to bring machine learning to your websites. Then we'll jump into Level 4, Blockchain. We're going to dive into a hot new tool, blockchain programming. First, we're going to do an introduction to blockchain, all about what is the blockchain, what is the blockchain ecosystem these days, and how it works. Then we'll jump into learning the Solidity programming language, which is the #1 language for DApp development, decentralized apps. So if you're a web developer or a software developer who wants to incorporate blockchain tools in your project, this is the perfect level for you. We'll learn how to build dApps with Solidity for the Ethereum blockchain and JavaScript, because with blockchain, you can build a website with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a framework or library like React. And you can also incorporate blockchain tools into the website by having a back-end blockchain side with Solidity smart contracts. We'll have a huge masterclass on Web 3.0 in Level 4. We'll build many projects like decentralized websites with Truffle, Solidity, and JavaScript, learning how to use MetaMask and a local Ganache blockchain, how to build NFTs and deploy them on OpenSea with smart contracts, how to build contracts with Hardhat and OpenZeppelin, and many other popular tools for blockchain programmers. We'll also learn how to use the Cardano blockchain by coding in Marlowe and Haskell. Then we'll jump into our next level, Level 5, Game Development. In this level, we're going to learn how to build games in Unreal Engine 5. We'll build virtual reality games, augmented reality games, top-down games, multiplayer games, self-driving cars, platformers. We'll learn how to use machine learning in game development for procedural generation, how to do character animation with MetaHuman, and how to code in C++. Then we'll dive into level 6, our final level, interview prep. Once you have the experience of the first 5 levels, or whichever levels you picked and chose to specialize in, we're going to include a whole level on how to get ready for the coding interview. To get hired as a software developer, whether you want to be a web developer, an app developer, a machine learning specialist, a blockchain programmer, or a game developer, you have to pass the coding interview. This often includes showing your portfolio, answering questions, and also passing coding tests. So you might have an in-person challenge or a take-home challenge that you have to solve. So we have a whole level designed to get you ready for that coding interview. You'll learn about essential algorithms and data structures that you must know to pass the coding interview. You'll learn about common questions asked at the coding interview. We'll have common questions in JavaScript, Python, SQL, Swift, C++, and C#. We'll also have machine learning interview questions and math interview questions so that you can get ready for the coding interview. As a bonus, you also get all previous courses from Hello Coding 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0, including Hello Coding 4.0 now. Let's talk about what you will need to take this course. To get started, all you need is a computer with an internet connection, and you can get started with level 1. For level 2, to develop for Swift, you will need a Mac computer or Mac virtual machine, but for the other lectures other than Swift, you can use any computer. For level 3 and level 4, you can also use any computer. All you need is an internet connection. For level 5, game development, you will need a Windows computer or a Windows virtual machine to use Unreal. And for level 6 interview prep, you can use any computer. You don't need any math or programming or machine learning experience or game development experience or blockchain experience because we teach you everything from scratch. So even if you don't know anything about coding, you can still follow along. If you liked this video, then go to training.mammoethinteractive.com. We have tons more content on blockchain, web development, machine learning, and much more. We also have a membership for just $19 a month where you can get access to our 372 course bundle and counting.